everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is chicken Mexican taco pinwheels, or chicken taco Mexican pinwheels. It's one of those ways, but my mom will link the recipe in the description box below. But these are delicious. They are served cold, and you put them in a tortilla and roll them up and make them and slice them up like little pinwheels, and they were just a big hit for us. We ate them with ranch dressing, so big hit here at our house. But we used the beef-free, protein, gluten-free tortillas, and they're huge, like the size of a burrito. It's hard to find gluten-free that big, so that's what we used. And they were a great size for it, and we just highly recommend this recipe. It's so easy and it's so delicious, so definitely give it a try. And obviously, you could use this for Taco Tuesday as well, because they're taco Mexican pinwheels. So definitely give them a try for the Monday meal for yourself or for Taco Tuesday. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog.
All right, everyone. Happy Monday. As Yoda said, we're making something that could be used for the Monday meal or for Taco Tuesday. We're making chicken taco Mexican pinwheels, and we're making them keto friendly and also allergy friendly for me. So this, and we're going to put a link to the original recipe in the description box below, because we're actually making less, and we still had stuff left over. Because I didn't have 8 burrito-sized tortillas. I had 5, so I need to get another package of these. Anyway, 11 grams of protein per wrap. They're gluten-free. They're beef-free, high-protein, carb-savvy wraps, so they're great. And let me tell you what's in here. The innards. So I just did 1 Philadelphia plant-based cream cheese, 8 ounces. I did, it's supposed to be half a cup sour cream, so I did 1/4 and 1/2 of a 4th, basically. Of sour cream, and then you're supposed to use 1.5 cups of Mexican style cheese, and so I used my BioLife dairy free, and I did 1.5 cups of a half, so 1.25 cups. And then I'm using the Siete mild taco seasoning. It's gluten free. And you're supposed to use 1.5 tablespoons, so I did 1 tablespoon and 1/4. And then 2 cups of shredded chicken, so I used my great value pulled rotisserie seasoned chicken, already cooked and shredded. And then a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, very well drained, so you drain those. And then 1.5 teaspoons of garlic, so I did 1 teaspoon and 1/4 of minced garlic. And then these are supposed to be fresh, but I didn't have fresh. I had dried, so I looked up the equivalent. And basically, 5 green onions is equal to about 6 tablespoons, give or take, of chopped chives, dried chives. So I did that, 6 tablespoons. And then about 2 tablespoons of cilantro, or 3 tablespoons equals the 3/4 of a cup to a cup fresh it wanted, but they said the dried is very potent, so do a little bit less, so I did 2 tablespoons. So that is what's in here, and you mix it all together, and then you put it on the tortilla, and what you do is you put it with about 1/2 inch to 1 inch border all the way around, roll it up from the bottom like a cigar, and here's what they look like rolled up. Put the seam side down, and then we're going to put them in the refrigerator to cool for at least 30 minutes, because they got to firm and set before you cut them into pinwheels. So at least 30 minutes, but up to a couple hours. So we're going to go to a movie, come back, it'll be a couple hours, then I'll show you the finish. All right, this is it, guys. Aren't they cute? So you get them out of the fridge after however long you had them in there. You cut them with a bread knife, serrated knife, into about 1 inch strips, like little pinwheels. This is what they look like, and you serve them cold, and they are delicious. You could dip them in something if you wanted, like ranch dip or something like that, but they're great. I highly recommend them. Happy Monday or Taco Tuesday. Enjoy.